This video is about different versions of converse, inverse, and contrapositive that frequently confuse people. So in the version of the homework that my class is working on right now, there are problems like this one that's highlighted here. My mom cooks lasagna for me when it's my birthday. And there's a couple things we need to pull apart here. First is the question. It asks, if my mom cooks lasagna for me, then it's my birthday, the converse, inverse, contrapositive, or biconditional. So it's asking us to figure out which of these versions of this statement it is. So it's like picking one, converse, inverse, contrapositive, or biconditional. But the first thing we need to deal with is that my mom cooks lasagna for me when it's my birthday is the original conditional statement. But it doesn't look like if this, then that, because there's not even an if or a then. So we need to translate it. One of the things I like to do when I'm translating is figuring out which thing implies the other. This is if P, then Q, which is also P implies Q. So I'm going to look at this and see which thing implies the other thing. Does my mom cooking lasagna imply it's my birthday, or does my birthday imply that I get lasagna? So it says when it's my birthday, I'm already changing it around. My mom cooks lasagna for me when it's my birthday. So you kind of know when it's your birthday that you get lasagna. So we're going to translate this to if it's my birthday, then my mom cooks lasagna. And we'll write it in two different ways. Okay, so this should make it way, way easier to identify what the P is and what the Q is, because it's if P, then Q. So the birthday is the P, so it is my birthday is the P, and mom cooks lasagna is the Q. And sometimes it helps to write those down. I'm going to do it right here, except not completely because I don't like writing a whole lot. So there's the P and there's the Q. P is birthday, and Q is lasagna. I think that's good enough without writing the entire statement. Whatever you need to do. I feel like these are so much easier when you just actually get out a piece of paper. So since the original statement is the birthday implies lasagna, then we need to figure out what the converse, inverse, and contrapositive all look like. So here we've got birthday. The original statement is birthday implies lasagna. Am I still on the screen? Yes, good. And then the converse would be Q implies P, so lasagna implies birthday. Lasagna implies birthday. Now I'm not even writing out the word birthday because I love writing so much. And then the inverse is not birthday. Not birthday implies not lasagna. And the contrapositive of the conditional is not lasagna, because that's the Q. Q. Not lasagna implies not birthday. And then the biconditional is birthday if and only if lasagna. So B-day if and only if lasagna. And we'll talk about at other times which ones of these are equivalent and stuff like that with truth tables in other parts of the course. But right now, I just want to get at which one is this. So the question they're asking us is, if my mom cooks lasagna for me, then it is my birthday. So this says lasagna implies birthday. Which one of these is lasagna implies birthday? That is the converse of the conditional. So for this one, what all they're asking you is which statement it is. And I know it took me a long time to get there, but I just feel like let's look at like what all these are and how we get from symbols to words. So here they're asking us which thing is it? It's the converse. So some people can do that more quickly, but especially when the original statement's written kind of in the backwards order of when they give it to you, it can really, really mess you up. So because the converse is the if Q then P. This one's just kind of confusing, so I figured we'd make a little video. Hope this helps.